it's the best sound I ever heard in a car ever in my life. As a matter of fact, it might be some of the best sound I ever heard.
I've never heard music like that before. It's a new thing.
The highs were like butter, and you can feel everything in its place.
I heard a lot of detail and a lot of things going on in the room that I never heard before.
As organic as it gets. It was fucking amazing.
This gives it to you as good as you can get it, you know.
Just sat in the future for 2 minutes at Bonnaroo. It was pretty wild.
But man, it sounded amazing. I don't see how you could ignore it after hearing that. You know, it's like everybody's got to get on board.
The best sound quality you can imagine. How it's supposed to be listened to.
It's incredible. It's amazing. The way music should be heard. It's very clever.
It's a vehicle to the future.